Today we're demonstrating our HSW14 compression sleeve crimping tool, also known as a swaging tool. First thing you'll notice is the Ferrari red color with the rubberized grips. It's a very sturdy tool, about medium size, fits well in the hand. It cuts and crimps or swages compression sleeves, both copper and aluminum. There's 3 different crimping slots. This tool will be provided with a diagram that will allow you to choose which slot fits for which compression sleeve. We'll throw that diagram up in just a second, top right of your screen. Cutting mechanism on either side, 3 slots as you see. Let's demonstrate how to cut the wires. So you insert the wire, squeeze it closed, gives a nice clean cut right across. Alright, perfect. So now let's grab our copper compression sleeve and slip the wire through to demonstrate the crimping capability. So you loop that back through, and then you go ahead and open the tool, choose the corresponding crimping slot, insert it, and squeeze it closed. It's that simple. You can do 1 indent or 2 indents depending on the length of your sleeve, but it gives a nice even crimp all the way across. Solid hold. This tool and the sleeves are available for purchase on our website, ferrulesdirect.com. Check the links below.